Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is a Dyson vacuum cleaner, DC33. Down at the bottom on the brush bar, it's looking pretty dusty in there, so I'm going to show you how to clean it out today. Take the machine, turn it over. So there we have access to the bottom. I'm going to put some gloves on. And then along here we've got 3 screws, or connectors, or fixings, whatever you want to call them. Twist them so that they're all pointing vertical. And then this should just lift out. Yeah, you can see in here there's a big snot of dust already. Quite dusty that, yuck. So I'm just using a flat bladed screwdriver here, but the other thing I might use as well is this tool, which is just a little hook. Kitchen knife will do you if you're in a kitchen, if you're in a house. Now you could give this a bath if you wanted in the kitchen sink or wherever, outside under a hose. Get as much of the dust out of it as possible, but the reality is that as soon as you use it, it's going to get dusty again, so it's up to you how clean you want to be. In here is the brush bar, and this should just lift out, yeah, but it does have a belt on one end here, so to get the stuff out we just need to pick it out. Things like hair, just pick them and break them. How I do it. That's beautiful. Someone else's gross hair. At least I'm wearing gloves in this video. A lot of times I don't bother. This is quite dusty. You could, of course, if you had another vacuum cleaner, which you may or may not, you could also use that. What I've seen as well with machines like this is that just in here where I'm poking the screwdriver at the moment, if a bottle cap gets in there, it only goes so far and then gets stuck. So if there is a bottle cap in there, you know where it is. Now, let's pull this out. Let's fluff out. Let's snap this side back in. Shouldn't really have pulled it out, I guess. Just for this job, you really only need to pull it out if you're doing the belt, I think, on this one. Sometimes it does make it easier. There's even more fluff down here. Just hook it out. The brush will bring it forward and bring in more dust back in. What I'm going to do is put a vacuum cleaner on this. I'll pick up any of the big bits and then I'll put a vacuum cleaner on it. Suck up the dust, because it's going everywhere. I don't know if you can see it on the screen, but it's going everywhere. So yeah, like I said, as soon as you put it back in the machine, this is all going to get dusty again. But normally, if your brush bar stops working, it's just because there's a bit of stuff caught in here. I've got another hook as well. This one's extra useful for getting the real tricky bits out. You can normally buy these on eBay or Amazon. I'll put a link in the comments or in the description if I get to it. Little pick set. The other thing you can do, instead of going out and buying it, is just get a bicycle spoke or a piece of wire and just put a hook on the end of it. That does pretty well. Right, let's get rid of that. So then to finish up, we just hook the bottom in. There's some little spaces there and there. Could have cleaned that a bit better. They hook in on the bottom and then these snap in on top. Get your screwdriver back, twist them horizontal again, clockwise. That's you're good to go. All that hair, sometimes a bit of string will get caught and wrap itself right around, and then you'll need to get a knife or a scissors in under it, but not a big deal. You know what to do now. Thanks for watching. See you later.